Hey guys, it's Alex from 4C Trading, and today, yet another interesting day, right? I mean, it's election day after all. There've been a lot of results coming in today, and they had a lot of controversies about, wrong elections as well. So currently Biden is winning, but we're not sure if Trump is going to do one of those comebacks like he did back in the day. We'll see what's going to happen, right? So for today, I'm still going to be sort of staying out of the markets just for the safety of it, right? But after, the whole thing ends, I will start going out of markets way more aggressively, right? So far so good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin definitely went for a new top. It created a new top of 14.2k, so that's looking pretty good. Ethereum this time finally followed around. So even though Ethereum was a little bit more bearish than Bitcoin, is now kind of pulling a little bit ahead. So we'll see if that's going to be good on the Ethereum BTC chart, because then we are also going to chart that one and try to find a little bit of opportunity at it, right? But for today, we're going to go Atom, and we already discussed Atom, this situation. I think we did on stream. It's kind of a second opportunity right now, and it's kind of one of the best kind of opportunities you can get, right? It's really strong where it is right at the moment, so I'm gonna try to get a second reaction out of it and taking this trade. But first I will take this trade after the election is done, right? So kind of putting this out there for people. And also, before we go forward, please do subscribe to our channel, like the video, punch that notification button so that you get our video every day, and we do them every day except on Sunday, right? So yeah, let us get in right away. Let us see what's hiding behind Atom. So yes, Atom, the buy area right here, as we spoke on the stream, it's going to be allowed here, and you can already see, if I tag it all the way to the back, you can already see why it's going to be right here, because this sort of went as the most important area of the entire structure, right? So when the structure was created, it was always around this sort of area. Even when it came down, the first resistance it was right in this area. Once it gained above, you can see the first touch that it came down, it bounced from this area. And this area was always the most important one in the entire structure. Even if we go right back, even more back than this, you can see when it went under, where it reacted from this area, went under, right? And even further back, once you gained above this area, you reacted it from here and it went higher. So you can see that this area has been definitely one of the most important ones on Atom. And this time around, I know that I said that I would be, tuning the knife catching down a little bit due to the fact that, the market for alts is just not juicy at the moment. And yes, we can probably expect a better alt market once Bitcoin starts doing a pullback, the first one. And right now, for that one, we're gonna speak in the future of Bitcoin. I do think the pullback is nearing close for it, right? So either way, sideways or a pullback, we want to see one of the other if we want to kind of get that another alt run, and then our trades are finally going to be hitting more of that profit targets. Back in the day, right? When there was a good alt market, we had like a lot of success rate, but now we are around 50-50, right? So tuning back down, we are still making money, but we are not making as much money as would be possible as we did back in the day. So right now, we really got to be cherry picking our trades and hedging them, right? So right now we do some longs on alts, and then we hedge them with some shorts so that we are always covered no matter which side it goes, right? So that we're always protected. So you already guessed that this area acted as a very well presented or important area in the past. So we're going to be using this one again to take the trade from it. And this time around, you can see the stop loss is going to be about 10%, but this in case is not it's not the safest stop loss that I will ever take. I would want my stop loss to be even lower at this point, but due to the fact I'm going to be taking this trade after election, I don't actually think that I need to be that careful, right? Because if the stop loss is going to be taken out, it's going to be during elections or a little bit after it, or when that fiasco kind of ends, right? So you can see 10%, pretty much what we like to see, right? This is pretty much one of our most liked or maximum stop losses that we take. And then our first profit target is already gonna be taken here. And this is quite an important level area as well, but on lower time frames, right? So this is a lower time frame, lower structure area, which is important, which probably if it's gonna come, it's first gonna react from this area before it goes further, or if it just rejects and stops us break even after hitting that first profit target, right? So the first area is gonna be 17.7% or 1.6R, so it is pretty good. And then for the second area, or should I say second profit target, for now I'm gonna go quite aggressive, because we are in the midst of bull market, and I know the alt run is coming, so I just better strap myself in and go aim high for the second profit target. I wouldn't go anything else, regards the times are right to go for it, right? I mean, we always went for a smaller one, but this time around it is time for a bigger one, right? And so far I would go for this one. It's 67% on the whole coin gain, right? Or 6.3 hours. So absolutely amazing profit target and absolutely amazing, profits as well, right? So this could make you quite a lot of money. And the last profit target, which I'm personally not gonna probably go for, depends on how the whole structure is gonna look like, is 103% and almost an R, right? So yes, I mean, the thing is, if you look at it from the left side, I'm pretty much expecting some sort of a rejection on second profit target, and then I'm gonna probably be able to feel it another trade a little bit lower. So that's kind of my reasoning for why I wouldn't go for much more than second profit target. I don't see a sense at it, but if you want to go, be my guest, right? I'm not imploring my personal thoughts on anybody else. If somebody wants to do it, if somebody feels bullish about Cosmos or Atom, right? You're really free to do it, right? But that's pretty much my strategy at this point. So yes, guys, please do subscribe to our channel, like our video, and also join us at our free crypto channel, right? I mean, on Telegram, we got crypto news where we post Bitcoin analysis, we post the new videos that we make, crypto news that are most, currently the most hot ones in the markets, depends on what it is at the time, right? And many more stuff, right? So yeah, this would be all, guys, and I hope I see you in the next one.